Right, so no follow then. Hey, let it come back up. We'll see what it is, we'll take it. Let's do that ball, won't it? Oh, that's tight, it's not that tight, right? Why, do you want to pull back? I'll pull it back. Yeah, you have to tight, don't you? Sort it out there then. Don't have it too straight. No, I won't, no.